It's part 3 of my simple watercolor painting, and I'm doing some more wet to wet technique. You can see my paper is still shiny and wet from before, and I'm putting in these lines and these dots, and everywhere where I lift the brush, it leaves kind of a little blob of paint. So you have to be thoughtful about where you lift up your brush after doing a stroke. I also like to put the same colors throughout the picture to help keep it unified and interesting, and there is a little bit of red in this yellow pear as well. This is part 4 of the Watercolor Still Life series, and I am adding some shadows. You can see the paper is still shiny. It has still not dried yet. I'm actually working very quickly, even though I've broken this whole series into parts. And so I'm able to put this sort of dark blue mixture that has a little bit of the orange from the fruit in it straight on the paper, and it's just blending really nicely and looking very soft. And I'm just pushing and pulling and lightening up areas and darkening areas to create that 3D effect that I want. I'm going back to the red, adding some red in there as well. And I'm also going to add some more red stripes here, just to really make it feel like it's that pear with all those subtle stripes. It's not clunky or thick. They're very thin and subtle. And I'm pushing that top part even farther back with some more red.